In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Grammarly to Google Docs so you can get better spelling, grammar, and writing suggestions right where you work. We'll go from installing the browser extension to turning it on in Google Docs to actually using it as you write. Follow along on your own computer if you'd like, and pause or rewind anytime you need. First, let's install the Grammarly browser extension. This is the key step because Grammarly works in Google Docs through your web browser, not as a separate Google Docs add-on. Open your preferred browser like Chrome, Edge, or another supported browser and go to the official Grammarly website or your browser's extension store. Search for Grammarly and look for the Grammarly extension that mentions writing assistance or grammar checking. Click to add or install the extension and then confirm any prompts your browser shows you. Once the extension is installed, you'll usually see a small Grammarly icon appear near the top of your browser or to the right of your address bar. If this is your first time using Grammarly, you may be asked to sign in or create an account. Go ahead and do that since you'll need an account for Grammarly to start working properly. The free version is enough to get basic spelling and grammar checks in Google Docs. Next, open Google Docs in the same browser where you just installed Grammarly. You can either go to the Google Docs homepage and open an existing document or create a new blank document. Give it a second to load fully because Grammarly needs the page to be ready before it can scan your writing. After your document loads, Grammarly should detect that you're on Google Docs and show a prompt asking if you want to enable it here. When you see this prompt, click to enable Grammarly in Google Docs. If you don't see a prompt, look for the Grammarly icon, usually at the bottom right or top right of your document window. Click it and check that Grammarly is toggled on or that Google Docs is listed as an active site. If Grammarly is disabled for Google Docs, switch it back on. It may also ask for certain permissions so it can read the text in your document and provide suggestions. This is normal for grammar tools that work inside your browser. Approve these permissions so that Grammarly can start scanning your writing. Now you're ready to start writing and editing with Grammarly in Google Docs. Begin typing as you normally would. As you write, Grammarly will highlight potential issues directly in your document. You might see underlines or small colored markers under words or phrases. Hover over or click these highlights to see Grammarly's suggestions, such as correcting spelling mistakes, fixing punctuation, or adjusting phrasing for clarity and tone. You can accept a suggestion with a single click or ignore it if you prefer your original wording. Take a moment to explore the panel or pop-up that appears when you click the Grammarly icon. Here you can see an overall summary of issues, turn certain types of checks on or off, and review suggestions in one place. From this point forward, just keep writing and editing as you normally do, using Grammarly's suggestions to polish your work. That's all it takes to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Install the browser extension, open Google Docs, enable Grammarly when prompted, and then start writing and editing with real-time feedback.